Dear students, in this topic, we shall discuss the tropic hormones of adenohypophysis in detail. The tropic hormones are the hormones which act on other endocrine tissues and regulate their secretory activity. Adenohypophysis, that is anterior pituitary gland, produces 4 tropic hormones. Number 1, adenocorticotropic hormone ACTH, thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, also called thyrotropin stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone LH and follicle stimulating hormone FSH. The adenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH is a peptide hormone that comprises a single chain of 39 amino acids. Its principal function is to regulate the secretion of corticosteroid hormones by the cortex of adrenal gland. It also stimulates the secretion of androgens by adrenal cortex. इसका एक और बड़ा मेजर रोल ये है कि ये एड्रीनल कॉर्टेक्स के जो ग्लैंडुलर टिश्यूज हैं, दैट इज दी जोना फेसिकुलेटा और जोना रेटिकुलरिस, इनके साइज को मेंटेन रखता है. It also stimulates the lipoprotein uptake by the adrenal cortex. ये एड्रीनल कॉर्टेक्स के जो सेल्स हैं, उनका जो मेजर फंक्शन है वो कोलेस्ट्रॉल की सिंथेसिस है ताकि उससे वो कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड्स बना सके. कोलेस्ट्रॉल की सिंथेसिस के लिए जो लिपोप्रोटीन्स और उसकी जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, उनके लिए जो सेल्स का अपटेक है इन लिपोप्रोटीन्स का, ACTH उसको एनहांस करता है और एज ए रिजल्ट कोलेस्ट्रॉल की और फिर स्टेरॉइड हार्मोन्स की सिंथेसिस को प्रोमोट करता है. In many other organisms, ACTH also plays role in circadian rhythms. उनकी जो रिदमिक एक्टिविटीज हैं उनको भी रेगुलेट करता है. Then thyrotropin or TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, is a glycoprotein. Its production is stimulated by the thyrotropin releasing hormone TRH from the hypothalamus. TSH is secreted throughout life, but its levels are particularly high during fast growth and development. This hormone TSH acts on the follicular cells of thyroid gland and helps to maintain their size. It also controls the rate of secretion of thyroid hormones thyroxine, that is called T4, and triiodothyronine, that is called T3. These hormones T3 and T4 in turn control the rate of metabolic reactions in the body. The luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, collectively called as gonadotropins, are glycoproteins. They are released under the influence of gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH from the hypothalamus. Both these hormones work together in the reproductive systems of both males and females. These hormones act on gonads and control the growth of ovaries and testes. They also stimulate the secretion of gonadal hormones. FSH stimulates the development of ovarian follicles and regulates spermatogenesis in males. Luteinizing hormone stimulates the production of estrogen and progesterone by the ovary. This hormone also causes ovulation, यानी कि ovary में से एक बाहर जो आता है, that is because of the action of luteinizing hormone, and also acts in the formation of corpus luteum. In males, the luteinizing hormone is also called as ICSH, that is interstitial cells stimulating hormone, that stimulates testosterone production by the Leydig cells of testis.